So in the last week, I got a notification from FedEx saying that Hart was sending me something. I did not receive any emails or notifications from them, but it looks like it's a 2-gallon wet dry vac, which, surprisingly, I've been looking at getting one to help, detail the car and for, construction stuff, doing at-home stuff. I was hoping it was going to be one of the little snow blowers since it's winter out and we got another winter storm coming. So that's... Open this thing up. I know I'm signed up for giveaways and stuff, but no one ever notified me on winning a giveaway. Let's pause this and get this other box out. Alright, got the other box out. Box inside of a box. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Never really looked at this one. I don't think I've seen this one in the stores. I've looked at the regular shop vacs, the bigger ones. Never realized they had something, this little small thing. Just throw it in there. Open this up. Alright, here it is. Reminds me of a little cooler to put stuff in. Little on and off switch. Easy to operate. Battery goes in here. Nice handle with a rubber grip, and it locks. The little one's coming to inspect it. Check it out. Nice hose. Turns so you can get it at different angles. Clips back. A little blower spot here to connect it for a blower. And it comes with attachments. Just clips right back in there. And another attachment. So let's open this up. There's two little handles or things to lock it, shut it off, shut it. There's the inside. Decent amount for cleaning, detailing the inside of our vehicles and stuff, which is the main reason why I wanted it. One of these. Comes with the filter. Screws on and off, so when you're doing dry, you can have it on, or wet, you can take it off. Nice little seal around the edges to seal it shut. And let's put this back. And it just clicks back. And then seems pretty heavy duty, little tiny thing, which will be nice for people who don't have, garages or a lot of space for holding anything. So since I don't know what I got this for, or why, guess I'll do the unboxing, and later on, it does not come with a battery, it looks like. I mean, the box said it doesn't come with a battery. So hopefully Friday, the paycheck has enough money to buy a battery. Look them up, and it looks like it ranges the smallest at 87 bucks, and the 4, the biggest battery, 20-volt battery, a little over 100 bucks. So if you got enough money, get a new battery for it, charge it, and give it a test. Cleaning some vehicles out in the inside, especially the van that needs it with all the kids that go in there. Again, this is the Hart 2-gallon wet dry vac. And we'll give it a try, hopefully, and do a review video on it. This is the unbox video. Thanks, everybody.